top speed run on my nephew's bike. My son's trying out his new bike, just trying it out on the track. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We hit 45, 57. So that means on the back street we could hit way faster. Remember it was only at 38 last time? And that's only a 5 horsepower, so we're pulling numbers. We're hit 45. 6.
Gotta keep that bandana tied up. Rip a dirty Lambo out that parking lot, graffiti on the seat because she bleeding. I don't give a fuck, I'm greedy. I don't give you truth, not worth believing. Chop the top off of that whip cause I don't give a roof or ceiling. Bottles of that brew until it suds. Throw that bitch into the crowd, watch the socket come and plug. Hands in the pit, baby boy it's on the shit. Tall cans in the pit, hell 40 ounce in the fifth, that's an algorithm. 40 now and getting rich, baby, how you feeling? Told you I be Willie Nelson of this rapping shit. Forget my verses and won't play none of my classic hits. You should've been there when I cared about what people talk. I been open, it don't matter how much weight they bought. Talk, Yellow Wolf is iconic, black sheep, white boys, it ain't nothing but ironic. Ironic, I brought it, I rock it, called the wave like I was silver surfing Milky Waves comics. Milky Way with the silky wave, dropping that. Slick Ricky Bobby on the song and that. Quick beats, go get your boy some rubber lag. Ticks cause I'm on it fucking beats, wow.
Sipping on it, thought that it was cognac. Make a pussy nervous about his life, he hypochondriac. Man, I came a long way from ounces out the laundromat. Serve a zombie something, make him wonder where's mommy at. Laundering the money cause it's written in the stars at my zodiac. All that bluffing y'all was doing, gotta show me that. Yellow Wolf, young cats in the trap house. Drawing so much out the plugs, reasons why there's blackouts. Put the black strap inside of the Chevy box. My homie hit a kilo out the bed and cry. Betting on myself, cut it, contemplating, trying me. They better not, I'm trying out this iron, leave them heavy shots. I send them to heaven's gates. I'm a fucking opportunist, I go optimize the units and I dramatize the units. Bullets penetrate. By my eyes, they know I'm suited. All my diamonds undiluted. All your eyes can get recruited. I regenerate. Every time I win, I call it back to base. Hey, wonder when you should go to sleep. Far away from me, cause that's where it's the safest. If you cross me once, I ain't tryna preach. I reach for the hammer. There's so many stats in here, they thought it was East Atlanta. Shots came out anonymous, it's no secret Santa. Cause you know who it is, I gotta teach y'all some manners.
Teach y'all some manners. Learn your manners, yes sir. And leave that bullshit on the curb. Word. Pulling up out of that Chevy with every one of my people don't go. A million over the weekend and both of my bosses on payroll. Flying out the parking lot with a bus full of party and betties and hoes. Put a sleep on them like I was around cause tomorrow's another show.
Woke up inside of me in a vibe, how I got it, I never know. I show my bro, how to go taking my ounce of the shaking and turning to gold. Over the stove, all of this water, I'm texting like it was a watering hole. I got a slaughter to go, telling that it never came and trying for more.
Yeah, weekend with a weekend, can I peek and be bold for the beat, so boy, we go creeping for the reason, no reason, and these don't only cold. Hold it up, beat it up, throw it up till you are sick of this art. Sick of this artist. Keep the table, the bars flip. No bar skip, the bars up. The target, of course, us. Black sheep. Yellow wolf. Bitch.
The next time you see this, they have a brand new Chromie. What are you gonna do now? Buy a new wheel? Comes with the game. The Rumblebee. The first fail of the Rumblebee. Never had an issue, first issue. Yep.
You guys go ahead. You guys go right. Put your hand up.
I'm good. Let's go to the Compton races for a little bit. Let the kids see that. Since your bike broke, cutting Sunday Fun Day short a little bit. Yikes. Ollie, come move the wheel real quick.
Dang, what the heck?
No es bueno.
Oh, shoot. As you can see in one of the video clips, I got the speed wobbles because I was trying to get used to it still. I wasn't holding the handlebars very tight. And you gotta hold the handlebars very tight and whenever you ride a mini bike.
Especially
or else-
going that speed.
Yeah, especially when you go fast.
So we'll post that clip at the end of the video.
Just don't freak out if you ever get the speed wobbles. Just try to control it.
Hold it.
Brake or turn off your bike. Just brake.